Alright guys, welcome back to Jack of All Trades. Today we're continuing the work on the 3rd Gen Camaro. As you see, I'll give you another shot here of the firewall. The firewall is pretty much finished. I have a little bit of paint sealer to put on there, or rust sealer to put on, encapsulator. I did go ahead and do the steel work. So there's the seam sealer. It's in there. It doesn't look pretty, but no one's ever really going to see it unless they take all the air dam filters off. But down in there in the lower half is where I'm going to have my son finish a little bit of that black sealer. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on getting this rust up here around the T-tops. There's quite a few little spots that I'm going to have to get to. There's a big spot in the back that I have to get to. And there may be, oh yeah, there's a spot back here as well. So there's spots all around these T-tops I'm going to have to get to. I'm going to start by taking this stuff off and getting it out of the way so I can start cutting and piecing in some sheet metal. Alright guys, well stay tuned. We'll get back to you in a minute. Alright, so I got a little bit of the front half opened up. She's nasty. She is nasty. All that crap rusted out. Somebody over here is having fun with the paint. Are you done?
I think
that needs to get replaced. It's not much, just a little bit of like that I'm gonna have to replace. There's rust back over in here. I don't know, we'll see. I'll show you in a second. So the son just got done doing this part, finishing up over there. Going to take that paint in there with you. So all that up in there has been goopied up. I think you missed a spot up in there.
Yeah, figured because I can't.
It's right there.
Where?
It's right there by that screw sticking out. Come over here, I'll show you. You can go get another pair of gloves here in a second. See that screw that's sticking out up there? That screw that's, here I'll show you.
On the top one?
No. Look at, watch my finger. See this screw right here?
Yeah.
Right next to it, right there.
Oh, I see it now.
Yeah, you just gotta get that little spot right there. And there's a little bit more on the inside over here you need to get. This other part of the weld where it's dripping down. Right here.
More of the weld?
Up on the top side of it. Up here.
Alright.
Yeah. Go get you another pair of gloves. Almost seems like somebody freaking silicone this crap into place.
That'd be my guess.
Or some kind of glue, I don't know. I don't know if you're supposed to glue these T-top seals in or what. Maybe they're just that old.
You want me to get it on you? It's all like...
Where you going, Cody? I think he's inspecting your mow job.
What?
He's inspecting your job. Put that lid on. Go put some tape around it. Around that lid. Huh? No, I said put some tape around. Yep, that'll work. That's fine. Over on the shelf with all my other paint. There's a paint thinner up there on that shelf. Get some of that paint thinner on a rag and get that off. It's in like a clear plastic bottle. Just paint thinner. where the paint is. It's in like a white, clear plastic bottle. It says paint thinner. It's like blue and white. Yeah, no, that's acetone. It says paint thinner. That acetone will burn your skin. Oh yeah, there it is. Put some on a rag and then wipe it. You have to scrub it. You'll have to wipe it really hard, but it'll get it off. Huh?
All right.
Oh. Okay.
What does acetone bring in?
Acetone?
Yeah.
I don't know, because it's a chemical. Yeah. What, the acetone?
No. So why does the acetone bring in?
Because it's a harsh chemical. Can you flip that vacuum cleaner on?
Alright. What do you mean flip it around?
Turn it on.
Oh. Just sitting there.
I did. Flip it on. Alright, turn it off. Yeah, there's definitely glue up in there. Doesn't seem like it was all glued in there, but...
Huh?
So it doesn't seem like it was all glued. Or maybe it was, I don't know. Some of it comes out awfully easy.
Dad, guess what? I'm rust proof.
Yeah?
Yep.
For a little while.
Yep. Dad, might look like you after I'm done. Red.
All red. Might look like me, but you ain't me. Alright guys, so I got all the stuff off. As you can see here, I wire wheeled it with the disc. I used this. It was a lot bigger, but it's worn down. But I got knocked a lot of rust out of the way. So I'll have to cut this way back up in here. I'll probably go ahead and scavenge these other parts in here off the other car. I'm just gonna have to end up tarping that other car off since I'm robbing so many pieces off of there. But you can definitely see in here it's no good. I'm gonna probably spray some of that rust killer I've used in the time past. Spray some in there just to make sure that rust is dead. I'm pretty much done for tonight. I'm gonna probably wire wheel just a little bit more. And tomorrow I'll get out here and start cutting stuff up and actually get it, you know, hopefully start getting it patched in. And then I got to figure out the seals, if I can get the seals off the other car without damaging them, maybe put them on this, but at this point it's not looking like that's going to happen. So I'll have to end up tarp this off as well until I can afford the new seals. I'll probably look those seals up, see how much those are going to cost. But the seals will have to tuck inside this railing here. So it'll be interesting, but not the worst. It's not as much as the firewall was. It's just a little bit more intricate since there's track work in here and stuff that has to be fixed. But I'm not too worried about it. It looks like it's all fairly easy. Alright guys, so I guess when I was taking this middle piece off for the T-tops off of my car, kind of jacked it up. I was being stupid, didn't realize there were screws back there, which honestly doesn't really matter because it's rusted. This one area over here is blown up, or blown out I should say. Where was this one? Yeah, this one here is pretty jacked. So I went ahead and took it off of the other car. I got it on here now. This one's in way better shape. Of course, it's 10 years newer, so that can help. So once I get the sheet metal fixed, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and cut it since I've got that thing all destroyed. I took the gaskets off, so it will leak. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a tarp over it for now. So might as well go ahead and use the sheet metal that's up there and do like I did with the firewall and just go ahead and cut this out in a certain section and just start replacing it. Because at this point it's no sense in me trying to piece it together with sheet metal whenever I can just scrap it, take it off of that guy. Alright, so we'll see what we come up with next. Alrighty folks, so here's what we got. I went ahead and removed that tracking. I cut a nice chunk out. Same back here. Cut a nice chunk out. I'm guessing what I'm going to have to do is go ahead and remove these tracks so I can replace them. I'm thinking these right here might be alright. I might get away with adding a little bit here because it looks like they stop. Let's go inspect the other side. Okay, so they do stop. Well, no they don't. They continue all the way through. They just stop. The rail stops there because it makes the turn and come around. A lot of freaking spot welds to get out for all this crap. Lots and lots of spot welds. Okay, well now I know what I'm up against. This crap. Well, fun part's going to be trying getting these out without damaging. These here I'll probably just drill all the way through just to make it easier. There's a lot of freaking spot welds. You can see all the little dimples all the way down. Those are all spot welds. Jesus. Things you do for a car. I swear to God. This thing. Got a lot of rust in that. Same scenario as my car, but he doesn't have a donor, so we're gonna have to put sheet metal in there someday. Yeah, because look, you can see where the rust is eating that back. Yay me! More work. Alright, well, I'm out here plugging away, guys. Alrighty, so I got this piece off the other car. It's this whole track. So I'm gonna have to fit that just right so everything sits right. That's gonna be fun. But I'm gonna clean it up, make sure it's all nice and clean, and flatten out as much as I can. That way it sits right. And weld her in. So that's why I didn't drill all the way through on this one, because I didn't want to have to try and fill up the whole hole. Alrighty guys, well, that's it for today. I'm done. Tired. Need to get some sleep. Haven't been sleeping well the last couple nights. So, anywho guys, alright y'all, well y'all take it easy. This is going to be a short video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you learned anything, if you want to tell me anything you know, please give me a comment below. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Hit that bell so you get notifications when I post a new video. Been a little behind this week because I posted two videos last week, and this week I just a little bit of lack of motivation. So, but here it is, guys.